Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save or export an email as an HTML file in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is where you'll find the specific email you want to save as an HTML file. Now, look through your inbox and locate the email you wish to export. Once you've found it, double-click on the email to open it in a new window. This is important because you need the email to be in its own window to access the file saving options. Opening it this way gives you access to the full menu bar at the top of the screen. With the email now open in a separate window, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see several tabs in the menu bar. Click on the File tab to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your email. This tab is your gateway to saving and exporting features within Outlook. In the File menu that appears, look for the Save As option and click on it. This action will open a File Explorer window that prompts you to choose where you want to save your email file on your computer. You can select any folder or location that makes sense for your organization. Now here's the most important step in this entire process. Before you click Save, you need to change the file format. Look for the Save As type drop-down menu in the File Explorer window. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available file formats. From this list, select HTML. This ensures that your email will be saved in HTML format, preserving its formatting and structure perfectly. After selecting HTML as your file type, enter a descriptive file name for this email in the file name field. Choose something that will help you easily identify this email later, such as the subject line or sender's name. Once you've entered your desired file name, click the Save button to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully saved your email as an HTML file in Outlook, which you can now open in any web browser or use for archiving purposes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.